Here's a quick reminder or lesson on how to use Slides Carnival to set up some different templates for your Google Slides. So you can go ahead and go from all templates or whatever you want. I like to use the ones that are creative. I think those look cool. So here are their stock ones that they give you. These are preset, and you'll see once we get into it what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one, and it'll navigate us there. And what we want to do, there's a button, there it is. This is the button we want right here. Use as a Google Slides theme. So you click this button right here, and it'll just open it up in your own Google Slides. So now it forces you to make a copy. You want to click yes. And sometimes you just have to wait a second. So that maybe took 30 seconds to load up. So here's what it looks like. You've got all these different. And what's cool about it is they tell you in the slide what you should use it for, what you could use it for. Nice for a quote. And again, you can click into this and change the size of the way the quote is organized. And then go ahead and I did Control A to highlight all, change the font size, and then you can adjust it. You wait till you get the 4 arrows and adjust it. So that's not working too well, it's too big, so go back in there, let's make it 36. And that fits nicely, and if we wanted to make it a little tighter, you can do that. And then you change these to make it the way that you want it. Now, understand too, these little icons are all changeable, and I'll show you how to do that here at the end. So there's a bunch. Picture, big impact from some graphics and graphs and things. So it comes stock with all the stuff in it, and you do what you want. You edit it and delete it. If you want to show what it looks like on a phone or a tablet, it's a nice little thing for you to use. What I really like is this last page. There's all these icons. So you can pick any of these icons and copy and paste them and put them on a different page. We'll use a book. This is educational looking. And we'll go to this random page here. Duplicate the slide. And I like to just erase everything, just so I have a place to work. So we're going to go ahead and paste that icon. There's my little book icon. Now there's a lot of things I can do here with this. If I right click on it, I can rotate it around or I can flip it. So it says flip vertically. See, it made it go upside down. Or if I wanted to change the color of it, you can do that. So if I select a piece here, select that, hold the shift key, select that. I've got both. Or you can just go like this and highlight around all of it. And then this is the fill button. Let's make this green. So it fills it in and makes it green. That's pretty ugly. Let's make it like more of a red color. And then we want to add a 1-point outline. And this is the border weight over here. So I could change the border color if I want, or I could make it thicker border. And you can use these icons throughout your presentation. So you can do it with any of these icons. You can do it with any of these icons. This finger pointer, copy that, and then we can do a new text box over here, paste the finger pointer in, and now if I shrink this up, I can then, if you grab the little dot, you can change the angle of it. So you actually can make it point at something if you wanted to. So let's copy that, bring it to a different page. Let's say we wanted to point to this little graph I put in. And if you think this isn't large enough, you can highlight that and then change the font size. Let's make it 96. There we go. Now that's a finger. And you can move that around if you want to. Whatever you want, they can add to your presentation. So that's just a really easy way to find a pre-made template and kind of spice up the stuff you're doing in class.